Good morning. So it is another day at the office. I hope you guys enjoyed the last video that I posted where I'm basically just at the office. And anyway, I wanted to just say a big thank you because over the weekend my channel reached 5,000 subscribers, which is huge for me. I feel so happy that there's 5,000 of you that found value in the videos that I share here. So yeah, thank you so much.
Just like a dream, yeah, you and me. Can't help but feel it's so unreal. Stay high with you. Your silhouette makes me forget all of my fears. Just disappeared when I'm with you. Ooh, 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 I give you a taste. Now when you with me, you can have your cake. Just let me like you do. Oh, let me like you do. All I ever wanted, someone like you that would love me like you do. Dreams of being haunted, you're my ghost, yeah. Come on, love me like you do. I'm giving you the best, boy, the best you'll ever see, and you can have it all. Now give me yours and be the best that you can be, then you can have it all. You're moving closer, I feel the heat.
So I wanted to share with you guys my acne-friendly lunch that I brought today. And if you follow me on Instagram, then yesterday you saw that I was meal prepping some salmon cakes. Okay, so I have salmon cakes and then some red bell peppers that I cut into strips. And then just to make them a little tastier, I have this Mediterranean spice known as za'atar, which is just certain spices, sesame seeds, and olive oil. And it's really good, so I'm just gonna cover that so it doesn't spill here. And then I also brought pumpkin seeds, and this is something else that I recently shared on my Instagram account. Pumpkin seeds are really high in zinc, which is a supplement that I do recommend for my acne-prone clients because zinc is anti-inflammatory. And then in this cute little pouch, I have a wasa cracker. This one's the sourdough one. And I really love these pouches because you can reuse them, and I also got this off Amazon too. So the nice thing about the lunch that I packed today is that there's nothing in it that will basically cause inflammation, which if you're prone to acne, you really want to avoid inflammatory things. But more than that, the salmon cakes are filled with omega-3 fatty acids, which again is also a supplement similar to the zinc that I recommend for my acne clients, because omega-3 fatty acids are anti-inflammatory, and then also specifically for women, they do have hormone balancing properties, so that also helps. I already mentioned the pumpkin seeds with the zinc, and then yeah, so just overall a really good lunch when you're acne prone.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go better.
Smudge cleaner.
You know. Oh shoot.
Like I said, we need windows.
Okay. Wait, no, here we go.
Or a scrub brush. Wax on, wax off.
Okay, so if you guys remember from the last office video that we did, these things basically need to be hung. So I brought some paper so that we can trace out the outline of the frames and then kind of figure out exactly where we want to put them so that we get it right the first time.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya.
Girl, where's the tab?
I thought you were down. You were over there.
I said you do the tab on here.
What? Do this, do that.
Excuse me, do you have some grievances to air?
Where's my tape tab?
All I asked was one little thing.
Of the tape tab.
Girl, you're making it so hard. Girl, you're making it so hard. Boy, you know you're making it so.
Tape tabs don't work.
So hard, so hard, so hard.
I don't like it because this one's gonna be too close to.
Yeah.
Exactly. I'm a client.
Yeah. Shoe.
Can you sit down so I can see the height? Pretend like you're typing. Is that what I do?
Yeah.
I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you, but I can't. You know I can't.
Who needs a man?
Woo,
You can do it
that's right.
yourself.
Girl power. Wait. Girl power. Good job, sis.
No, I can't. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. You only call when you want it. Baby, gotta be honest. You know my body never known better. It's like an upgraded business.
You mess me up and I miss it.
We keep dancing with the devil, but he's never gonna let go. Should be pulling away from the fire. Should go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight, tonight, tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Girl, you're making it so hard.
Oh, Carmen, this one's broken.
It's broken. What's this? It's broken.
I notice everything.
That's why you work with me. So Amanda's smart. She said the reason why we didn't notice it is because this cap was on there. Thank you, Home Goods. Thank you. Okay, so this is as far as we're getting today. Lots of issues. One, yes, this is our gallery wall. Tissue paper and a painting.
Yes.
And there was a broken mirrored frame, a frame that didn't have the right hook where we wanted it on the back.
We need a wire from one of them.
Yeah. So this is where we're stopping.
Struggle is real.
But lesson learned.
And the one that's hanging has chips, so we actually
Yes.
have to Sharpie it out.
Yes.
Winning!
Woo!
1 out of 4. We're good. Thank God she only got 4.
Yeah. Now, I do work down below here, so make sure these don't drop on my head.
You bought the hooks.
Yeah, we have to Sharpie in. At least we're making it work.
It's happening.
If you're an office client, don't look too close. Give us a like for this gorgeous gallery wall, guys. All by myself. I don't wanna be all by myself. Okay, well that'll do it for today. There were some wins, some fails.
We got this.
Overall, another good day at the office, wouldn't you say?
Oh, I agree.
Yes.
One picture up. That's
3 more to go.
3 more to go.
We'll make it. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.
Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock in the morning. We've been going and going back and forth cause we don't know better. And I thought we'd be different. Yeah, we were on to some good shit. We keep dancing with the devil, but he doesn't have a back, no.